Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV Muswobi.
Nigeria, we have the largest number of lazy governors in the world. Nigeria, I repeat, we have the highest number of lazy governors in the world. Ebonyi State, they have limestone. Their governor is not doing anything about it. He just come to Abuja every month to collect money and go back. No single factory there, and they have the largest deposit of limestone. Enugu coal, all of us know, we know how much they are selling coal in international markets. Check it on your phone. But the governor rather come to Abuja to collect allocation every month. Sanfara, gold. The governor, they look away. You know, consign me. Shebi, I'm going to Abuja to collect money. And they are using helicopter, private jet to come and carry his gold away. Because if we go to Abuja and collect allocation, Ondo State, the largest, world second largest deposit of bitumen, even Ondo State no get road. They no get factory. Even the road where Ondo State get, na import am, but the bitumen wey they import, they under their feet. Ekiti State, Nigerian state. Ekiti State cannot produce single Ekiti yam or single Ekiti product. They even built airport. They lock the airport after commissioning it because they know they are going to Abuja at the end of the month to collect allocation. They use 3 billion to clear land when they can buy tractor. Aba is the biggest market in West Africa, but they sit at home every Monday. Sit at home. Akwa Ibom has the longest sand beach in the world, one of the longest. No single tourist. They didn't even advertise it for tourism. Now laziness. Our governors are very lazy. All they know is come to Abuja, collect allocation, bully your local government. President TINUBU, this your tax reform is one of the best. No going back. No room for lazy governor. Stop spoon feeding them. Let them go and generate revenue. God bless Nigeria.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV Muswobi.